Hey guys, I just got this new gutter cleaning attachment kit. It fits on your leaf blower. That's my old one, and as you can see, over years I had to tape it with various tapes and it always fell apart, and so I got myself this new set and I'm very excited about it. So I'm gonna go clean my gutters. You guys get to watch a 58-year-old grandma try to clean her gutters and how much fun it is. It is a messy job, I'm not gonna lie, so stay tuned. Okay, right off the bat, here's the big difference between this new one and my old one. My old one, I had just vacuum cleaner extensions sticking into each other and taped together, and these actually screw into each other, and that is a huge difference. It's going to make my life so much easier. I just need to get enough on here to reach my gutter. Before I assemble the rest of this, I want to share this part with you too. My old gutter only had, this was it. It had one angle and I could turn it based on whether I was turning the whole contraption. Here's what I like about this one. This piece can actually turn. So if you need it to go straight up and down into the gutter, you can. If you need it at an angle, which you will need it pretty often, especially as I'm thinking about how dirty I usually get doing this when the only option I had was straight up and down. Then it would just blow up and on top of me. So this, I really like this feature. So in my case, I happen to have left my leaf blower in my camper. So in this case, I used the top part of my shop vac that has a blower, and it worked pretty well. I wasn't able to tighten the connection part to it as much as I would have liked to, so I just held it there and it worked out just fine. I went around the whole house cleaning out all the gutters because we had rain coming and I was wanting to make sure they didn't get stopped up. So I really like this new extension that I have. I think it's going to work out really well. I don't have to duct tape it together, and I don't have to hold the rest of it together, and I'll bring my leaf blower home so it's easier to work with. Or maybe get another one for home. Anyway, I really like it. I think you will too. Thanks for watching.